Wrong colors can ruin hours of creative work. Welcome to my channel, where we're exploring the best monitor for graphic design with sharper detail, better color accuracy, and smoother workflow. Check the links in the description and choose the screen that helps your ideas look exactly right. The number 5 product on our list is Packard Bell AirFrame FHD Monitor. Your eyes are likely suffocating under the dull, grainy haze of an outdated screen that turns every creative project into a muddy guessing game. Most people settle for mediocrity because high-end visuals usually demand a king's ransom. The Packard Bell AirFrame FHD changes that narrative by proving premium clarity doesn't require a second mortgage. It arrives with a stunning 1080p resolution that slices through the fog, offering a crispness that makes every line of code or brushstroke in a digital painting feel intentional. While serious creators often hunt for the ultimate display for visual precision, this 27-inch canvas offers a surprising 178-degree viewing angle that stays true even when you lean back to admire your work. The 75 Hz refresh rate and 5 millisecond response time eliminate that agonizing lag that plagues standard office monitors, keeping your flow state unbroken. It feels like a breath of fresh air for students and remote workers who need a reliable workspace without the clutter, especially with its sleek Visa-compatible design. Compared to the bulkier Acer SB270, the AirFrame feels noticeably more modern and airy on a cramped desk. The tilt-adjustable stand provides immediate physical relief for your neck, though the lack of built-in speakers might require an external set. This is for the savvy minimalist who wants to feel proud of their setup without overspending. You aren't just buying hardware, you are reclaiming your focus and gifting yourself a window into a much more vibrant, sharper world that actually respects your vision. At number 4 is KTC QHD Monitor. Imagine staring at a sunset through a dirty window and finally deciding to step outside into the light. Most creators are trapped in a low-resolution prison where colors look washed out and fine details vanish into a sea of pixels. The KTC QHD Monitor shatters that barrier by offering a 2K IPS panel that feels like getting a new pair of eyes. While many hunt for a professional tool for creative precision, this screen provides 123% sRGB coverage that makes every hue feel alive and authentic. You no longer have to guess if your greens are too neon or your reds are too flat. The 100 Hz refresh rate ensures that every movement across the interface is buttery smooth, while FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility keep the experience seamless and tear-free. It is a sanctuary for freelance designers and digital artists who suffer from the headaches of cheap, flickering displays. The built-in anti-blue light technology offers genuine physical comfort during those midnight crunch sessions. Compared to the Gigabyte G27Q, the KTC offers a more streamlined aesthetic that fits perfectly in a clean, modern workspace. Some might find the stand a bit basic, but the abundance of ports like dual HDMI and DP makes connectivity a dream. This is a brilliant choice for the rising pro who wants high-end color accuracy without the traditional high-end price tag. Your creative journey deserves a canvas that honors your hard work and reflects the true brilliance of your imagination. The third one on our list is LG Ultrafine Monitor. Your creative soul is being slowly drained by a display that treats your masterpiece like a flat, lifeless photocopy. Most artists battle the exhausting frustration of mismatched colors, where the vibrant red on their screen turns into a dull brick tone once printed. The LG Ultrafine Monitor acts as a professional bridge between your imagination and reality. This 4K UHD powerhouse delivers a 1000:1 contrast ratio that uncovers hidden depths in your shadows and brilliant highlights in every frame. While searching for an ideal display for digital artistry, you will find the 90% DCI-P3 color gamut provides a richness that makes standard screens look like relics of the past. The HDR10 support ensures your high dynamic range content feels cinematic and deeply immersive. For the busy editor, the on-screen control feature is a game changer, allowing you to split your workspace into a multitasking heaven with simple clicks. The ergonomic stand offers a tailored fit for your desk, relieving that familiar neck strain after hours of deep focus. Compared to the Dell UltraSharp series, this model feels more intuitive for those deeply embedded in the Apple or high-end PC ecosystems. While the lack of height adjustment on some base models is a minor hurdle, the sheer pixel density remains unmatched for the price. This is a vital investment for photographers and illustrators who refuse to compromise on visual integrity. Finally, you can stop squinting at pixels and start marveling at the breathtaking clarity of your own genius. On number 2 is Philips iCare Monitor. Your retinas are essentially being scorched every time you dive into a marathon editing session without a shield. Most passionate creators ignore the subtle throb in their temples until it becomes a full-blown barrier to their inspiration. The Philips iCare Monitor serves as a gentle guardian for your vision while maintaining the sharp integrity your work demands. While many hunt for a high-performance display for creative precision, this 27-inch V-Line powerhouse offers full HD 1080p visuals that remain remarkably crisp. Its VA panel is the real hero here, churning out deep blacks and 16.7 million colors that create a rich tapestry for your digital projects. You will no longer struggle with color shifting thanks to the 178-degree viewing angles that keep every pixel consistent from any perspective. The three-sided frameless design feels like an infinite window, allowing you to pair two units together for a seamless, expansive workspace. For those heavy research days, the Easy Read mode transforms harsh light into a paper-like texture that feels like a soothing balm for exhausted eyes. Compared to the basic BenQ GW series, this Philips model feels much more sophisticated in its light management. While the tilt-only stand might feel restrictive for some, the flicker-free technology offers immense physical relief during long hours. This is a crucial tool for dedicated writers and budding artists who want to protect their most valuable asset while chasing their dreams. It is time to stop sacrificing your physical well-being for the sake of a beautiful image. Now, moving to the last one is ASUS ProArt Display, WQHD iCare Monitor. Ignoring the invisible boundary between a digital file and a physical print is a gamble that usually ends in costly disappointment. Most professionals live in constant fear that the vibrant masterpiece on their screen will transform into a muddy mess the moment it leaves the computer. The ASUS ProArt Display, WQHD iCare Monitor, acts as a precision instrument that finally ends that guessing game once and for all. This 27-inch WQHD canvas offers 77% more pixels than standard high definition, providing a sharpness that captures every microscopic texture. While experts often search for a high-performance panel for visual editing, this Kalman-verified screen arrives with a factory-calibrated Delta E less than 2 rating for surgical color accuracy. You get a full 100% sRGB and Rec. 709 Gamut that ensures your colors remain clinically honest. The ProArt palette gives you total authority over hue and saturation through an intuitive interface that feels like a natural extension of your hands. For those juggling multiple peripherals, the massive array of ports, including mini DisplayPort and 4 USB 3.0 slots, creates a central command station for your workflow. Compared to the BenQ PD2700Q, this model offers much more granular control over specific color parameters. Some may find the industrial design a bit utilitarian, but the psychological relief of knowing your colors are perfect is worth every penny. This is a mandatory upgrade for serious photographers and brand designers who demand absolute truth in every pixel. Transform your workstation from a source of anxiety into a sanctuary of professional excellence. So guys, this was the video about the best monitor for graphic designs. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.